The sun is interacting with Earth right now, but it's not just through light. The solar wind is not like the same kind of wind that you experience here on Earth, where the wind is moving around. The solar wind is actually a stream of charged particles that's constantly coming off of the sun in all directions. And because they're all charged, they actually can drag the magnetic field from the sun out into the heliosphere, out into the solar system. By the time that solar wind flow reaches Earth, we have satellites like ACE, WIND, DSCOVR, and many other ones, especially new ones, that can measure things like the temperature, the density, and also monitor the magnetic fields that are embedded in the solar wind before they actually reach Earth. And this is really important because the solar wind doesn't just hit Earth like a wall. Earth's magnetic field actually interacts with the solar wind. Earth's magnetic field creates something that we call the magnetosphere, and when the solar wind runs into the side facing the sun, it can actually compress it, and this leads to stuff like magnetic reconnection, and it can go into processes that we call the Dungy cycle. This is a way to transfer that magnetic energy from the day side to the night side and eventually dump a lot of that energy back into Earth's magnetosphere. This causes things like auroras to happen and stuff that we call substorms. This process at large, where the sun spits off its charged particles and magnetic fields and then eventually reaches Earth, and Earth's magnetic field reacts to this. This is what we call space weather. So the simple picture would be that the solar wind is the way that the sun can reach out and interact with Earth without physically touching it.